Yeah, this is a storm outside. Man, I wish I could do this. Man, it's really storming out there. My God.
One accident, 2 paint jobs, and 3 boyfriends. And there's only one guy who gets into the building.
What is it out there, bro? Boy, I don't even open this door.
Wow.
Never seen this much snow. I mean, the snow is like literally, up there. It's a blizzard out there, literally.
So, heading to the doctor? Yeah.
As you can see on my window here.
Look, you're not alone. Millions of men need to talk to their doctor. We can do this. Okay.
Talking to your doctor about eating
I can't
may be
even
the
open my
last
door
thing you
here.
want to do, but it's definitely a conversation worth having.
Wow, look at that. I haven't even opened my door and the snow is like literally like front.
Ask your doctor if your heart is healthy enough for sex. Don't take Viagra if you take nitrates for chest pain, as it may cause an unsafe drop in blood pressure. Side effects may include headache, flushing, upset stomach, and abnormal vision. To avoid long-term injury, seek immediate medical help for an erection lasting more
You
than
just run the
12
snow
hours.
in.
Stop taking Viagra and call your doctor right away if you experience a sudden decrease or loss in vision or hearing. Talk to your doctor today and ask if Viagra is right for you.
This is the Candios. Makes a great gift. It's 15 megabits. It's the top of line from now. Check this out. See the show? The red zone automatically compensates for the rain. Take the shot to make sure you catch the action. So, what do you think? Or we have this point and shoot.
For the holidays, American Idol brings you something amazing.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound.
Amazing.